Hello, hello. I want to share with you why I think you, yes, you, should consider majoring in computer science. The first reason is that there is a real demand and a real need for more people to study computer science. On QZ.com, they recently had an article titled, "It's a Fantastic Time to Graduate in the United States as an Engineer or Computer Scientist." This table from that article displays information from the National Association of Colleges and Employers, or NACE, about how most of the 266,000 people who graduate with a bachelor's degree in the United States in 2014 are doing in the job market. Computer science has the second highest percentage of recent graduates with jobs straight out of college at 73%, compared to about 55% overall for all college majors in the United States. Additionally, computer science has the second highest average starting salary at over $62,000 straight out of college, compared to about $48,000 per year for all college majors. Computer science is a high demand field with good starting salaries straight out of college. This information is taken from the Bureau of Labor Statistics on BLS.gov. In 2012, the median pay for a software developer was over $93,000 per year, and the job outlook is amazing. BLS.gov indicates that there will be even more demand for software developers in the future. Computer science and software engineering has a lot of demand in the workforce. If you decide to study computer science, you'll have the opportunity to study many interesting topics. For example, you'll have the opportunity to study programming, web development, and databases. Additionally, many students choose to study mobile app development so they can create apps for iPhone and Android. Some choose to study game development. We have talked about the high demand for computer science and what you would study, but next I'd like to take a moment to talk about the impact you could have in this field. Consider how much of an impact smartphones, social media, video games, and YouTube have had on our society. These innovations have changed the world. Could you be the next Mark Zuckerberg or Steve Jobs? Could you design the next hit game or create a new app that changes the world? Recently, I asked some computer scientists what inspired you to pick computer science, and one of the most frequent responses was that they had been inspired by video games. Video games are very entertaining and have helped many realize how amazing computers are. Have you been inspired by gaming? Perhaps you aren't a gamer, perhaps you are interested in other aspects of technology. Computer science will give you the skills to build websites, create phone apps, make business software, or perhaps you could even automate boring tasks. In this TED Talk titled, "You Should Learn to Program," the speaker shares the funny story of a man who automated his own job.
Earlier this year, Reddit user CS-NL posted this question to the internet. Reddit: "My friends call me a scumbag because I automate my work when I was hired to do it manually. Am I?" CSNL was hired to do manual data verification and fixing on this gigantic Excel table, rows and rows of it. He was hired in this department of a bunch of people whose job it was for 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, to just do this to a giant Excel table. And they were pretty good at it. The typical daily output was 6 to 10 records a day with about 90% accuracy. Now, CSNL knew some basic programming, so he wrote a computer script to literally do his entire job for him. The script that he wrote completed over 1,000 records a day with 99.7% accuracy. He replaced an entire department in a weekend of coding.
There is a huge need for more people to study computer science. In this video, President Obama urged Americans to study programming and computer science during Computer Science Education Week.
Hi, everybody. This week, I'm proud to join the students, teachers, businesses, and nonprofit organizations taking big new steps to support computer science in America's schools. Learning these skills isn't just important for your future, it's important for our country's future. If we want America to stay on the cutting edge, we need young Americans like you to master the tools and technology that will change the way we do just about everything. That's why I'm asking you to get involved. Don't just buy a new video game, make one. Don't just download the latest app, help design it. Don't just play on your phone, program it. No one's born a computer scientist, but with a little hard work and some math and science, just about anyone can become one. This week is your chance to give it a shot. And don't let anyone tell you you can't. Whether you're a young man or a young woman, whether you live in a city or a rural area, computers are going to be a big part of your future. And if you're willing to work and study hard, that future is yours to shape. Thanks, everybody.
To recap, computer science has excellent salaries and low unemployment rates. If you choose to major in computer science, you get to study many interesting topics such as programming, web development, databases, and many other interesting topics. The skills you would gain from studying computer science will prepare you to build useful products that impact the world. There's a high enough demand for computer science that the president has asked for more people to study computer science. Please consider majoring in computer science. It is an interesting field with excellent job prospects. Thank you so much for watching.